Had them once, but I had them all the time. Okay. Alright, so let's get a 25-minute session in.
When I think about you, my feelings can't explain why after all this time, my heart still feels pain.
Okay, let's go ahead and get to work. Oh, man. Editing is not so much fun. But you guys are going to love this vlog, though. If you haven't already watched it, I'm sure this vlog is out before this one's out. So if you haven't watched it, here we are. Winter arcing. 23-minute focus session. Let's get it.
True colors, girl, I just wanna see. Cause I done had too many come around and change on me. She screaming, please don't waste my time. I say I totally agree. See, girl, I'm fine with that. I done gave my watches away, ain't got no time for that. Asking where's my heart, good luck finding that. How long can I see her? I think I'm still timing that. Pretty teeth with a nice demeanor. I'm in a rush, it was nice to meet you.
Is it good?
Okay, guys, so I know most of this vlog has been silent, but I'm going to talk to you right now. It is Sunday, October something. What day is it? Hi, puppies. Oh, God.
I want to say it's like the 27th, but I don't know.
The 20
What? I don't know.
something, because next weekend is Halloween. So,
How come the Apple Watch doesn't show the date?
I should tell you. It depends on how you set it up.
Oh yeah, it's the 27th.
27th. Dang. Yeah, it is 27th. Alright. Wow. My tummy hurts. don't mind.
Can't need that. That's what I'm doing today.
Yay! Okay. Second package. Is this like Christmas? Christmas in October. Is this my wallet? I think it's my wallet, Donnie. I can't open it. Oh, yeah.
There's a knife somewhere.
A knife. Luna, do you know where a knife is? Oh, this is the Mel Goods. Oh, yeah, puppy. Oh, I like it. That's going in a diffuser.
When did you buy this?
Let me see. It was in the list.
Oh.
What is this?
Oh, no.
I could probably read labels just to make sure it's all. It's a box in a box. Updated power cords pack.
What?
Power cords pack 5. Cable raceway kit. Oh, it's for our
Computers.
yeah. Daddy's building our computer. It's really confusing looking. I think I showed you guys some of the footage, but I'm later. I don't know where it is though. Okay, we got one more big giant box. Yo, it's gonna Penny tool. Screwdriver. I feel like there's a cartoon character who walked around with a screwdriver. You can fix it. Yes, you can. What was that song? Yeah! Oh my God. So much stuff in this one, Daddy. I think it's all your stuff.
We'll pull it up.
Aesthetic. Meet the aesthetic octagon.
I don't know. Why don't
This
you
one
just
says
open it?
steel wool.
Just open it.
For you. Wait, I can open this?
Yeah, just open everything.
Okay. It looks like computer parts.
No, what is it? Come on.
Do I know this?
Yes.
I
You
know-
need it.
I need this?
Yeah, because you... Okay.
Ah!
These are drink coasters. Start using them.
Y'all see how he thought he was smooth. I couldn't even figure out what they were. Maybe it would have been smoother if I knew what it was.
Maybe you should go show them the big white ring on
On what?
my furniture.
Where? Where at, Daddy?
On my dresser, I think.
I haven't used your dresser. I only used the dresser next to my dresser. Oh. Okay, nothing was for me. I'm not excited anymore. Come on, guys.
That was for you.
No, I didn't get my wallet.
Finish opening that stuff.
But it's nothing in there
Babe,
for
that
me.
whole thing is for you. I'm telling you. Okay, open it.
We're putting this up today for sure. Thank you, sir. Alright, now this is exciting. Desk Power Strip. Oh, this is the one thing you showed me a picture of, Donnie.
Mm-hmm. Open it. Should be two in there. One for you, one for me.
Yeah. That's cool. I like that.
Okay, so I guess I'm putting this up too. Luna, off. She can go over to those food bowls. Luna. Monica's a good girl. You are. You're not a good girl. You're being mean.
No, you woke up grumpy today,
She ain't even 6 feet.
Luna lay back down. She said, "Yup, I'm just go ahead and lay right here. I can't get this one open."
Luna.
This one is his computer thing, guys.
Yep.
And this one.
Here.
Bamboo.
Yep. Open that.
This is cute.
It's a soap dish.
Yay. Thank you, Daddy. Okay, now open this one.
Babe, come on now.
Oopsie. What are these?
This is for the cables. It's part of the organizer stuff.
Oh, nice. Oh, we could put cables in that?
Yeah, it's loom. It's split loom. So like.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yay. Okay. Hi, Monica. I love you. And this one's Daddy's. And this is the big one. Y'all don't need to see this. This is for it.
Or, yeah, I guess.
And that is my Christmas in October. And we'll see you guys on the next episode of Amazon Delivers. Bye.